On the edge of the rugged Tasmanian wilderness, Casa Acton stands as a testament to the balance between permanence and portability. Conceived by Josh Fitzgerald, co-founding director of Archier, and his partner Millie Ashton, the project began not as a traditional land purchase, but as a creative solution to the challenges of modern home ownership. By building on existing family property, the pair bypassed the typical barriers of entry, allowing them to step into the overlapping roles of designer, builder, and resident. The result is a bespoke dwelling that functions as a sophisticated experiment in cost-efficient, movable architecture, a home that honors its current foundations while remaining prepared for a future elsewhere. The design is deeply rooted in the distinct Tasmanian spirit, a philosophy that prioritizes an unwavering connection to the natural environment. After a stint in Melbourne, the couple sought to return to a life of immersion, trading urban density for the raw textures of the Acton bushland. The house is strategically carved with multiple outlooks, each one acting as a curated invitation to engage with the surrounding flora. Despite its modest footprint, the building feels expansive. The placement of windows and the thoughtful orientation of the structure ensure that the landscape is not just a backdrop, but a living participant in the daily experience of the home. Materiality plays a vital role in grounding the structure within its remote context while maintaining a sense of contemporary refinement. To achieve an efficient and sustainable build, Archier utilized structurally insulated panels, SIPs, which serve as both the thermal envelope and the primary aesthetic finish. On the exterior, timber cladding allows the form to recede into the shadows of the trees, while locally sourced sandstone anchors the vertical elements to the earth. This textural base provides a sense of weight and history, contrasting beautifully with the home's inherent ability to be disassembled and transported when the time comes. Inside, the atmosphere is one of considered simplicity, where raw utility meets urban elegance. The exposed SIPs are left untreated, providing a robust and honest backdrop that celebrates the home's construction process. To elevate the interior, Fitzgerald and Ashton integrated black custom joinery and brushed brass fittings, details that offer a subtle nod to modern city living without feeling out of place in the woods. Through this marriage of geometric precision and natural warmth, Casa Acton emerges as more than just a shelter. It is a refined, immersive escape that proves architecture can be both transient in its location and deeply permanent in its soul. Thanks for watching this look into Archier's vision of modern living. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like and subscribe for more stories behind the world's most innovative homes. We'll see you in the next one.